Example 4. In example 4, we will use crisscross method to find the formula of an ionic compound, which is aluminum oxide in this tutorial. Aluminum oxide contains aluminum and oxygen. Aluminum is in group 3, and since it is in group 3 of the periodic table, then the ion is Al3+. Oxygen is in group 6, so the ion is O2-. So we have Al3+ and O2-. They have different charges. So let's use the crisscross method to find the formula, and it is a very easy method. We have Al3+ and O2-. Circle the charges of both ions. Now the charge of Al goes to the lower right corner of oxygen, and the 2- goes to the lower right corner of aluminum. So this is a crisscross method, and the formula is Al2O3. The charge of the first atom became the number of atoms for the second one, and vice versa. This is the crisscross method, and it is easy and used only for ionic compounds.